Now tell me, what do you now tell me what do you want to do?
Nothing.
That's not fair. You want to do something like bike riding, something like that. You want to go with me on that mountain? Yes. You don't like this? I know you like the dog. Yes. There are a lot of dogs on the mountain. Yeah, I'm not telling lie. You can go with me and see. Let's go then. Don't worry, we can go on bike. Oh, yes, we will go fast.
Like this.
We will go fast.
Like that.
Yes.
Can I do your bike?
Yes. We can go fast and reach early. Let's go, Musa.
But how?
Come, let's go. Don't make bad noises.
Okay.
Bad boy. Musa is bad boy. Wow, look at the mountains. Everyone wish to live in Islam. I don't wish, but I have to live.
Don't live.
Okay, Musa, bye bye. I am going, and this is our end of the video. So, if you want to say something, you can say.
And say something.
You don't want to say something?
I want.
Yes, tell me.
TV.
FGTV? You like FGTV?
Yeah.
But why you are not making video with me? You are jumping like choosa. Yeah, a little choosa.
I like the choosa.
Okay, okay, bye bye choosa.
Bye, Tuesday.
Now, now Musa enjoying the rain. Musa, you are enjoying the rain?
Yes.
Yes, look at these houses. Wow. Wow. You want to go there?
Yeah, but how?
Yes, you can. You can jump.
No, and die?
Yes. No. You will not die. You can jump from here and go there.
How?
Like this.
It's too long. Your house is so big.
What?
Your house is so big.
Whoa, that is my house. You can see.
That one?
A white one.
That?
No, white one. Look.
That?
Can you see my house?
Yeah. That one?
Look at the house, white, on my finger. Yeah.
All white?
Yeah, all white. You like it?
That one?
Yeah, that one. Okay.
Mama,
Oh,
didn't eat the bread yet.
okay, come.
How is it good? Yours is too big. Kala, your house is too big.
Okay.
And I'll die.
No, it's my house. You don't know?
Yeah, how we should go there?
Yeah.
How? How we should go?
We can go on car.
No, bike is really fun.
Okay, you want to go on bike?
Yeah, but how we should go so far.
Yeah. We can go.
How?
We also can go on the mountain. Yeah, Musa. You want to go on the mountain?
But how? It's too far.
I'm that bad.